In this video lesson I will show you what is Boom 300 index Pip Calculator, which you can use to calculate the Pip value for the Boom 300 and also to calculate the stop loss and the take profit level in US dollar. Here we have a Pip Calculator where you can find a link inside the description below the video, and you will have also a PDF with a table with all synthetic indices values that are from Dairy Broker. And you will have also a link for this PDF below in the description, and also PDF will consist of the table, the formula how to calculate the Pip value, and also an example how to use the Pip calculator with other synthetic indices. I will leave this one below so we can see the values here. So Boom 300. On the right side you can see MetaTrader 5 trading platform with the Dairy Broker, which have all synthetic indices. I have selected the Boom 300 index, and here I will show you a few examples how to open a trade. Let's see how the Pip calculator works. Boom 300 index Pip calculator have several fields and also variables that you need to put to calculate the correct Pip value. On the top you have a Pip value field which gets you an information in the US dollar how much one Pip or stop loss or take profit will be equal to. When you click calculate, you get the value here. Below that you have symbol, which is a drop-down menu with all synthetic indices which you can use. When you select any of them, Boom, for example, Boom 300 index, the Pip calculator will automatically populate the contract size and also the point value, which is defined by this Pip value table. It is also defined by the Dairy Broker. So if you have any other broker, you can simply enter these values manually. Below that you have a volume which is set to 1. 1 is one standard lot. So you can also change this value, which is defined also by your broker. So you have a minimum and also the maximum available lot size, also the volume. In our case, for the Boom 300, we have 0.1 as a minimum volume and also 100 as a maximum. Let's get back to the Pip calculator. Then you have a contract size which is defined by the broker. You need to check with your broker what is the contract size for this Boom 300. You put this one here and you do not change that at all anymore, because if you change this value you will get incorrect values for the Pip and also for a stop loss and the take profit. Then you have a point value which is set to 0.001. In this case, the Dairy Broker defines that 1 Pip is equal to 0.001 price change. So when you go here on the trading platform on the chart, you can see that the current market price is 356.0.029. So when the price changed by 0.001, this will mean that the price has changed by 1 Pip. And also when you click calculate, you will get that 1 Pip is equal to $0. Then below that you have the entry price, stop loss and the take profit. Here you can enter these three values, click calculate and get the stop loss difference and the take profit difference. This way you can simply see and calculate the stop loss and take profit by entering them here and clicking calculate. You get the values here. I will show you an example so it is easier to understand. Let's, for example, plan to open an order with the current market price, which is equal here. And for example, we put stop loss here with the take profit down. Okay, so we enter the entry price, which is 355.802. We put stop loss here, which is 367.879, and the take profit would be 342.052. Click calculate and you would get the stop loss difference between the entry price and the stop loss. Copy this value here and click calculate. You will get here a stop loss in US dollars. So in this case, for this trade, you would have a stop loss set to $12. Then you have a take profit value, also copy paste this one here, click calculate, you would get take profit equal to $13.75. So if you are satisfied with these values, simply go here inside the trading platform and open a new order. Set volume to 1 and then set stop loss to this one, copy paste this one and click sell because we are expecting that the price will drop down. New order has been opened. Copy this one. It is the new entry price, which is slightly different than this one that we have defined before. Click calculate and you get new values for the stop loss. Copy this one here, click calculate, and we get 12.22 as a loss. To confirm these values, go here to the chart, remove these horizontal lines and hover your mouse over this line. And you will see what is the profit. It says minus 12.22. It is the same value we got here. So if we do that with the take profit, click calculate, check here, and it says 13.61. It is the same value we got here. This means that you can use Boom 300 Index Pip Calculator to calculate the stop loss and the take profit before opening an order inside the trading platform. This way you can confirm that the stop loss has been set to the proper value and the take profit is set also to the proper value. If you have any risk management strategy, you can confirm these values before opening your order. If you are satisfied with these values, you can simply open a new order inside trading platform and you will be sure that the values will be set correctly. But what happens if you would like to, for example, put the stop loss, which is currently this one, 12.22, to, for example, close to 100. So to get close to 100, you would multiply this one with, for example, 8. So you would put the volume 8 times higher. Let's calculate this one. 97.74. So it is close to 100. So if we close this order and you plan open a new order, for example, let's open a new order right now with the take profit set to here and the take profit set it to here. Let's enter these three values here to calculate the stop loss and take profit difference. 356.080. Then the stop loss 352.736, and we have take profit to 366.764. Click calculate. This is the price difference for the stop loss. Copy this one here, click calculate. We would get that this stop loss would be equal to 26.75. If you would like to increase that stop loss, for example, to 100, this will mean that you need to multiply this one by, for example, 4 times. So you would set volume to 4 times higher to 32. Click calculate. It is close to 100, it is 107. We will see what will be take profit. Click calculate. 341. So if you are satisfied with this, you go here, open a new order, change the volume, set it to 32, and change the stop loss to this value and the take profit to this value. Now we are expecting that the price will go up. This means clicking buy the market. Okay, new order has been opened with the volume 32, and let's put this one a new entry price here, 355.772. Click calculate. This is the new stop loss. Put here inside the point value field, click calculate. So the stop loss on this trade will be 97.15. Let's see and remove these horizontal lines to see what is the stop loss. Hover your mouse over this line. 97.15. It is the same value we got here. And the take profit would be, just a minute, 351.74. Let's put this one here. It is the same value here. You can see how to use Boom 300 Pip Calculator to calculate the stop loss and the take profit by changing the volume before opening a new order. This way you can use a proper risk management by defining stop loss take profit levels before opening a new order. If you have any questions regarding Boom 300 Pip Calculator, please leave a comment. I will try and give my best to make a new video to answer your questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!